Welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for September 25th, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 6:41 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 6:43 p.m. As the season changes astronomically, daylight and darkness are nearly equal. This does not occur on the equinox because of the definition of sunrise and sunset, and that sunlight is refracted or bent by the thick air along the horizon. Today daylight's length is 12 hours, 2 minutes. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. Over 3 hours before sunrise, Venus rises in the eastern sky and Saturn is low in the west-southwest. On October 10th, Saturn sets as Venus rises, when the two planets are 180 degrees apart in the sky. Saturn reappears in the eastern morning sky next year. Venus passes by while they are in bright morning twilight during April. By an hour before sunrise this morning, brilliant Venus is that bright star in the east, less than 1/3 of the way up in the sky from the horizon to overhead. The morning star is stepping eastward toward Regulus, passing by October 9th. It crosses into Leo this morning. To watch Venus' eastward motion, look for the star Omicron Leonis with a binocular. The planet is 4.8 degrees to the upper right. Each morning Venus appears closer to the star, passing by October 2nd. Find the sickle of Leo, a backwards question mark pattern that includes Regulus. The shape is an agricultural implement for cutting grain, a handle with a sharp, curved blade. Mercury is presenting its best morning display of the year, over 5 degrees up in the east and 14.6 degrees to the lower left of Regulus. The speedy planet grows brighter each morning as it departs, returning to bright morning twilight. This morning it is the third brightest star-like body, after Venus and Jupiter. Find a clear horizon looking toward the east to find Mercury. An elevated structure or hilltop helps the view. At this hour bright Jupiter is over halfway up in the west-southwest. It retrogrades in front of Aries, 13.2 degrees to the left of Hamal, Aries' brightest star, 11.2 degrees to the upper right of Menkar, Cetus Nostral, and 16.4 degrees to the lower right of the Pleiades star cluster, part of Taurus. Jupiter's retrograde is carrying it westward compared to the reference stars. Watch it move closer to an imaginary line from Hamal to Menkar. In the evening sky. Dim Mars is not easily visible as it hides in bright evening twilight, setting about 40 minutes after the sun. The moon is heading toward its full moon phase on the 29th. This evening the lunar orb, 84% illuminated, is less than 20 degrees above the southeast horizon and over 15 degrees to the right of Saturn. The moon's light washes out the dimmer starfields across the sky that can be seen with a binocular. During the night, as the wheel of the sky seems to spin, Saturn is in the south 4 hours after sunset and appears low in the west-southwest as Venus rises in the morning. Bright Jupiter rises in the eastern sky less than 2 hours after sundown. As the calendar day ends, the Jovian giant is in the east-southeast. By tomorrow morning, it is in the west-southwestern sky. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.